Hello and welcome to Email Marketing Mastery. My name is Richard Lindner. I'm the co-founder, president, and chief marketing officer here at Digital Marketer, and I'm so glad you decided to join us for this training. Now, in this brief introduction module, I'm going to walk you through what to expect out of this course, tell you a little bit about it, but we're not going to spend too much time because we're going to dive right in to making you an email marketing master. So again, before we get started, I want to give you a little bit of information about me and tell you, well, frankly, why you should listen to anything I say about email marketing. So over the past 12 months, I've managed well over 1 billion email sends in multiple markets. I've created and implemented strategies to overcome major changes in Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, and other email providers' algorithms to make sure that all of our emails actually make it to the inbox. I've used sneaky tricks to triple open rates and double click-through rates, and I've generated well over $20 million in revenue from email marketing alone. So I'm very excited that you're here. While I can't guarantee how much revenue you will generate, I can guarantee is I'll share with you everything that I've done to achieve each of these other milestones and teach you how to go and do them in your company, whether it's your company or whether you're an employee. Either way, making sure that you are fully equipped to get the most out of email marketing and the email marketing efforts of your company. So let's kind of start with our goal, right? My goal for you. My goal is to turn you into an email marketing master, someone who can help any organization achieve their goals by creating and deploying a winning email strategy, okay? So before we dive in, let's talk a little bit about why email is so important. And I'm going to breeze through some facts, but I think it's really important right now that you understand the impact of what you're going through and understand the impact that it can have on the company that you're working for. So email is the channel generating the highest ROI for marketers. All right, VentureBeat went in and analyzed every marketing channel and said email is consistently the channel that delivers the highest ROI. In fact, email marketing yields over a 4,300% return on investment for business in the United States. Now, this is from the Direct Marketing Association. I'm sure that that number is not all that dissimilar from or worldwide, right? I'm sure, I know that email is not something that is isolated here to these United States. Now, here's one. For every $1 spent on email marketing, the average return on investment is $44.25. So let me stop here by saying you've made a very wise decision. The training that we're about to go through will equip you to have a huge impact on the bottom line of your company. So let's do a quick overview of the course, and then I'll tell you what to expect, and then we'll go ahead and dive right into the training. So in this course, we're going to break it down into 7 primary sections. The first section will cover the role of email marketing. We'll dive into all the different types of email marketing and really how you should determine where to start your email marketing efforts in your business. Next, we'll move on to creating the perfect promotional calendar, making sure that there's the perfect mix of both content and promotions in your business, and that you're leveraging this asset as best as possible to make as much money without sending too many emails. We'll talk about email campaign creation. We'll go over the different types of campaigns, when to deploy them. We'll even cover storyboarding your email campaigns and writing your subject lines. Now, after that, we're going to dive into email copywriting and design. This is fun. We're going to talk about 4 magic questions that will write your emails for you and really dive into crafting your email message. Then we're going to go into optimization, right? So after we've decided who we're going to send email to, what it's going to say, we're going to go over different tricks to make sure that you're getting the highest possible opens and the highest possible click-through rates. Next, we'll dive into tracking and metrics. So not only what you should be tracking, but when you should be looking at it and what you should do based on the data you get. And then finally, we'll talk about email deliverability, because if you can't get your emails delivered, none of the rest of this matters. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of work, but I promise you at the end, you're going to be able to create and deploy a winning email marketing strategy for your company. So that's what we're going to go through. Here are a few things that you can expect from this training. You'll have access to this slide deck as well as other course materials along the way. You will be required to pass a quiz at the end of each section before the next section will be available for you to go through. You should pay close attention and take notes. Now, All of these tests will be open book, open notes, but I promise you, outside of just being able to unlock the next section, you're going to want to write stuff down because along the way, you're going to spark creativity. We're going to walk through processes that are meant to have you start to think about how to deploy this in your business. So you're going to want to keep a notepad and a pen handy. At the end, a certification exam will be given, and if you pass, you'll be certified as an email marketing specialist. So just like the rest of the quizzes, the exam is open notes and open resources, but you're going to need to score at least a 70% or better to pass the exam. So that's who I am, that's why it's so important you're here, and that's what this training schedule is going to look like. So if you're ready to get started, we're going to come back in just a minute and dive in with the role of email marketing. I'll see you in the next video.